welcome back to our channel. Today we are making something out of nature and seeds and peanut butter.
Yeah, and that's not something Christmassy. We are making
Bird feeders.
Natural bird feeder. So for that
We need
peanut butter
big bag of bird seeds, different seeds.
and of course cones and twine.
And I have a little different one. I have like this little can that I'm gonna use and it's gonna use sticks to hold it up, but also pine cones and peanut butter. So we're gonna get started.
So I'm gonna start with smothering loads of peanut butter
Yummy.
onto the pine cone, but don't spread it on
The
top.
top, because that's where we're gonna.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna start by
Ooh.
on the lid. I'm gonna start by putting a little bit of twine with glue, so it'll hang.
Look. Be generous with the peanut butter. Be generous. Because our little birdies, they love
And be
peanut butter.
generous with peanut butter. I think everybody loves peanut
Yeah,
butter.
because now it's time, springtime, everything is beautiful.
We can
and
hang it up on
loads
your
of
gardens, your balconies, or nearby parks. So there's a lot of excess, but I'm not going to cut all through. I'm just going to cut a bit of it. So where the knot is, that's a thick part. So I'm going to put glue where the knot is and then stick it right onto the lid of my can. But don't worry, mine also uses peanut butter and pine cones. Definitely peanut
So
butter.
generously. So it's gonna be like a glue, natural glue for our bird seeds.
I'm using real glue.
And can you imagine how lucky the birds will be in our
Get
garden?
peanut butter.
Yep.
So now, look how much glue I put. So it'll stay. Oh no, it's not dried yet. When you put a lot of the hot glue, it doesn't dry straight away. Ouch! So with a toothpick, unicorn toothpick, gonna press down like gently all around. So it'll dry a bit faster.
Yeah, as well. Don't forget the bottom part.
Oh my god, that looks
Look.
so good.
I would do it myself. Nom, 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 nom.
Look, secretly. That's good. So now,
You think they're gonna love the taste?
yeah. And remember, when you make this, you have to try the peanut butter before. So if it's not ruined or anything,
That's so important.
that's why I tried it. So we'll just in
And
case if it's
try
ruined.
to use smooth peanut butter. It's gonna
Yeah.
be easier to smother around your.
I think maybe I might
Gooey
keep
peanut
this for
butter.
myself without putting
and then
seeds.
to lick it, yes, from time to time.
From time to time. Yeah, I'm gonna put the bird seed on top and the peanut butter like at the end after stuff. Or maybe I can just do it now, kind of.
Okay, so.
I don't actually mind that peanut butter is getting on my fingers.
Then you're gonna lick them.
Yeah. Lick the goodness.
So
So look.
good.
I'm gonna put that down. Okay, it's fully coated. Now I'm just.
So which one did you? How many did you make?
I made one.
You're making one.
So I'm gonna put it there. But still, to be more generous to the birds, I'm all around as well inside this little container gonna put bird seeds. I think we need a little bit more peanut butter.
Yeah.
Is there gonna be any peanut butter left after this? We shall see.
Let's see how it goes.
Ooh, are you done? I wanna dip it with you.
So now. Okay.
Good. Oh, can I say one more thing?
Sure.
A few days ago, we saw a woodpecker
Yes.
right next to this tree,
Yeah.
and we were so surprised, and it was amazing.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna start by dip.
And just roll it. Roll, roll, roll. Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Don't worry about your fingers. We have. Okay, show. Let's see. See?
Whoa.
Oh, more. Roll more everywhere. Cover.
Just
cover.
put yours in.
Okay. I'm gonna start by dipping the bottom.
Whoa,
first,
this is
and
absolutely
then
covered.
work
Wait, why is no not in the bottom? Well, I can always take
Look,
them out.
You see? Okay, and now cover.
Whoa, mine is completely covered.
Yeah, it's
right
Okay,
in
so
there. Let's see. I'm gonna show you.
dipping. You see how you dip like that? So make sure that you put it in a bowl, so it's not gonna go all over the place.
Yep. So look at this.
Ooh.
And also, we don't have the spoon, so I'm just gonna do with my hands. Grab a little bit, and then sprinkle
put
on
inside.
around. So not people, birds can sit on this edge and peck.
That's actually a good idea, yeah. So few birds can actually sit, the little ones, like great teeth, blue teeth.
So beautiful. Oh, there's little brown ones. I have no idea what they're called, but those brown ones.
Have lots of...
And this is also a good, you can make these in the winter when people don't really feed the birds. You can make them. You can always put them in your balcony as well. But we're going to put it in our little park. Garden.
Okay, see, look, it's all covered.
Look how much.
Wow, I love it.
So now, how is yours going to be? Mine is going to be a little different. So I have sticks, and I'm going to make it actually broken stick, than this blue stick. And I think I'm going to stick it on like the, oh my god, that's perfect.
I think the third one is like, look, it's like a ball.
Look. Perfect.
Yeah.
Stick. I'm doing like a pattern of different colors. So 2 blues and 2 yellow, like a sunny day and a blue sky. Look. Sunny day and blue sky.
Ooh. It will attract the birds.
Yeah. Oh, the bright color. It fits perfectly.
Yeah.
It fits absolutely perfectly. But still
that looks so good. So posh. Your bird feed is so posh.
Yeah, it's for posh birds. Light blue tits. I hope the woodpecker would come back to see this beautiful posh.
Look. They like it.
Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Go. Glue. Glue. Last one. Go before they dry out. You just, ouch. That is hot. Oh, perfect. I done it just in time. So now press. Did you use the whole glue gun?
Look at this.
Whoa, that's so beautiful.
So we're gonna tie them around tree, and the birds will have their lovely treats.
That is, look.
Oh, I love your one. That's actually amazing. What you do.
I'm just gonna put a little bit on the side, like a teeny bit on the side. Now this bird is getting a lot of treats. A lot of peanut. Wait, do birds eat peanut butter?
Sorry again?
Do birds eat peanut butter?
Yes, because it's peanuts there.
Oh, whoops, I put my fingers in the peanut butter. It's okay.
Okay, and tie around.
Flip. I thought my peanut butter work is done, but it's not quite yet.
Okay, and
so just a little bit. Oh, last side.
okay, one more knot.
Now I'm gonna put just a little bit more peanut. Done.
Okay. So.
Just like I need to see if you're sturdy.
Yeah, sturdy. Not gonna fall. Okay, so let's show our creation. Look at this. Look at this little treat. So beautiful, and I'm sure the birds will love it.
So I have a ton of birdseeds inside.
And Malika's bird feeder is
I have peanut butter and birdseeds on the top, and a pine cone with peanut butter and birdseeds.
Thank you so much for watching our video.
Subscribe to our channel,
like Clumsy Lollies, and we'll see you very soon. Bye.